Trello Power-Ups enhance your boards by integrating additional features and tools to improve productivity and collaboration. Here's how to use them. Power-Ups are Trello add-ons that bring extra functionality to your boards, such as calendar views, time tracking, Gantt charts, and integrations with apps like Google Drive, Slack, or Jira. Enabling Power-Ups. Open your board. Navigate to the board where you want to use Power-Ups. Access the Power-Up menu. Click on Show menu on the right-hand side, then select Power-Ups. Choose a Power-Up. Browse or search for the desired Power-Up in the directory. Add the Power-Up. Click Add or Enable to integrate it into your board. Using Power-Ups. Each Power-Up will have its unique interface or button on your board. For example, Calendar Power-Up provides a calendar view for due dates. Custom Fields adds custom properties to your cards like checkboxes or drop-downs. Configure the Power-Up settings if needed. Managing Power-Ups. Disable unused Power-Ups through the same menu to keep your board streamlined. Free Trello accounts allow one Power-Up per board, while paid plans support unlimited Power-Ups.